Thank you for your interest in Celebrant Academy and for browsing through our virtual open house. I'm Donna Forsythe, the director of Celebrant Academy, and I invite you to look through our coursework videos and learn more about each of the individual courses that are offered in our academy. The videos are narrated by the instructors for each of the courses so that you're able to get a feel for who they are and for their instructional style. Whether you're already officiating or are new to this work, our coursework is designed to provide a solid framework on which you can build your skills and develop your business. As an educator with 30 years experience, as well as having a master's in leadership and administration, professional development and ongoing education have always been important to me. This curriculum was created to provide the basics and necessary structure for those who are just beginning, while scaffolding the content so that it's robust and offers deep learning for those who have been officiating for many years. It's also highly collaborative so that we all have the benefit of learning from each other. On that note, many officiants or celebrants work alone. So enrolling in an educational program like this will connect you to other celebrants and officiants throughout the US and in other parts of the world. We emphasize building relationships and value the concept of community over competition. Our vision is to train celebrants or life celebration specialists through the lens of humanism so that they're certified to offer exceptional secular services to clients who are looking to celebrate life milestones. Many of us are self-trained, and so this program will fill in the gaps while welcoming you into a warm and nurturing community. The first group of courses are the 6 foundation courses that comprise the Masters Certification, and they include Introduction to Celebrancy and Secular Ceremonies, Rituals, Religious, Cultural, and Couple-Centered, Ceremony Writing for Weddings, Public Speaking and Presentation, Business and Client Management, and Marketing Your Celebrant Business. It's free to apply to any of our course offerings, and I hope to hear from you soon.